Hey there, it's time for a fun lesson on dynamic programming. So imagine you're a ninja warrior trying to navigate your way through a maze of obstacles. You start at the entrance and have to make it to the exit on the other side. Sounds easy, right? Well, not so fast. This maze is full of traps and obstacles that you'll need to navigate around, and some of them will require you to backtrack or take a different route. So how do you find the best path through the maze without getting stuck? That's where dynamic programming comes in. Think of it as a ninja strategy that helps you break down the problem into smaller, more manageable parts. You start at the entrance and analyze each obstacle one by one, making note of the best route to take for each obstacle. Then, as you move through the maze, you use that information to make quick decisions and avoid getting trapped. It's like creating a ninja roadmap. You plan out your moves in advance and use your knowledge of the obstacles ahead to make quick, efficient decisions. This way, you can move through the maze more quickly and efficiently without wasting time backtracking or getting stuck in dead ends. Dynamic programming is a powerful tool in algorithm design because it allows you to solve complex problems by breaking them down into smaller, more manageable subproblems. By using this technique, you can solve problems more efficiently and effectively, just like a ninja warrior navigating a maze of obstacles. So the next time you're faced with a tough programming problem, remember to channel your inner ninja and use the power of dynamic programming to break it down into smaller, more manageable parts. Happy coding!